Yeah, I think we gotta go this way.
Let's see the frozen something.
Where do you see fish in here? That's why I tied my shoes extra tight. Yeah, there's fish.
Really?
Yeah, you can see them. They're like neon blue streaks on them. See it?
Oh, yeah. What fish is that?
That is freaking amazing view.
That blue streak within like a circle-ish kind.
Probably shouldn't have went this way. Let's go back up that way. Yeah, these shaded areas are the ones you want to stay away from the snakes.
Huh?
Those bushes are the kind of ones you want to stay away from snakes. Really get in those bushes.
Dude, look how old this wood is.
Yeah. That is absolutely beautiful. Whoa! I'm glad we decided to come. Oh, we're supposed to go that way, you think? Yeah, it looks like there's footprints over here.
This is where like you find
Yeah, I don't know, Luke.
huh?
I don't know.
Let me see. What is this?
Before I lost all my weight, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't have been able to do this. Starting to get warm now. Yeah, it is. What do you think? This way? I'll be up over there, saying. Wow, look at this. Look at this.
I'm gonna aim for those.
Sure, go throw it. I got a camera.
I haven't thrown a baseball in a long time, so I might throw it right.
I don't think you got it there. Yeah, you did. It's a pretty high drop.
Just a little bit.
Getting closer.
Look at that.
Oh, you found a cactus?
Yeah, I got stuff in my fingers now.
Oh, way to go.
All over.
Aloe?
No.
Pickers?
Yep.
Well, I don't know if that was a smart thing to do or not. This is definitely I don't think this is an easy trail. This ain't no damn easy trail. It's like out of a movie scene. You know?
Yeah.
All right, let's carry on. That is pretty sweet. I hear some voices.
Huh?
I hear voices. This way. Got about a mile left of the trail, and it's hot. Almost back to the car. It's been a fun one. Good times.
It's a little warm right now.
A little warm.
Yeah.
Didn't help getting lost back there.
We decided to follow where people came from.
Yeah, I didn't think there was more than one trail, but I guess there was.
It's like out by that lake.
It's got to be 100 degrees right now. In the valley here.
I'm hoping my
Yeah, your tan line. I'm sure my tan line's good. I'm good for the wedding now. I won't have the two tones anymore. All right. Not too much farther for the car. Head back to Wichita. Back in the car. That was supposedly an easy trail.
I don't know about that one.
I hate to see what a medium one looks like.
Even a hard one.
Yeah, hard would be like death or injury expected, I guess. Easy, I thought injury was expected the way I did. My ankles are still intact. That was fun though. Enjoyed it. Great views. You have a good time, Luke?
Oh yeah.
Who would have thought Oklahoma had, first of all, a mountain like that, and in Wichita Mountains.
Uh-huh.
All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.